Hi guys, welcome to the new section, Microsoft Cloud Data Center, Azure. In the section, we will focus on Azure, see what Azure DevOps solution is, and then create virtual machine and cluster on Azure. Let's start with the first video, Introduction to Microsoft Azure. This video gives an overview of Microsoft Azure service. According to the homepage of Microsoft Azure, Azure is an ever-expanding set of cloud services to help your organization meet your business challenges. It is the freedom to build, manage, and deploy applications on a massive global network using your favorite tools and frameworks. Created by Microsoft, Azure is one of the providers that has grown the most in the last couple of years. The catalog of products is as complete as the catalog for AWS or Google Cloud Platform. It is also one of the newest providers in the market, so it has the advantage of being able to solve problems that other providers have presented. Let's take a look at the services Azure offers. First, we see App Service. One of the most popular offerings from Azure, App Service is a platform that can be used to create four kinds of applications: web apps, mobile apps, logic apps, and API apps. To have a quick hands-on, I'll create a simple Azure web app. Go to this link and select Web App. Select a template. In our case, it is a Java template. Click on Create. The web app is ready. Simple. Note the URL given to access it, and visit the web app at a given URL. Moving on, Data and Storage Services. The Microsoft Azure SQL database is an RDBMS in the cloud. It supports the SQL Server engine and enables to use existing SQL Server tools, libraries, and APIs to manage the SQL database in the cloud. Azure also offers a cloud storage offering that is highly scalable and durable. Microsoft Azure storage services provide blob storage, table storage, queue storage, and file storage. Another identity management service from Microsoft is Azure Active Directory. It's cloud-based, multi-tenant, and highly available. It can manage users, groups, and multi-factor authentication, add an application organization that is developing for authentication, add an application from the gallery for authentication, add a custom domain, add role-based access control, and so on. You can access Azure AD from the Azure portal and click on Azure Active Directory. Verify the overview details with users and groups, app registrations, and Azure AD Connect. The application gallery supports thousands of applications for Azure Ad integration with categories ranging from business management, collaboration, construction, to e-commerce and web design and hosting. Major applications supported are Office 365, Salesforce, ServiceNow, Google Apps, and so on. For analytics, we have Application Insights. Visual Studio Application Insights helps us to get the insights of performance and usage of an application. It can be used for .NET or J2EE-based applications that are hosted on-premise or in the cloud. Lastly, we see Traffic Manager. Microsoft Azure Traffic Manager provides a feature to distribute user traffic to different endpoints. These endpoints can be Azure App Service, Cloud Services, Azure Virtual Machines, and external endpoints. It's a DNS-based traffic routing, supporting 3 traffic routing methods. Now, there are 2 different deployment models in Microsoft Azure: the classic deployment and resource management deployment models. Microsoft Azure Traffic Manager uses different terminology for traffic routing methods, known as the load balancing method in the classic deployment model. The first routing method is priority method, also called failover method. You can select the priority or failover method for traffic routing when you need resources in a specific region to serve all the traffic and only use other endpoints if the main endpoint is unavailable. Next is weighted method or round-robin method. When you need resources to serve in a different region or across a set of different endpoints, you'd need this method for traffic routing. Lastly, we have performance method. You may choose performance for the traffic routing method when you want to provide equal performance to the user of the resources hosted in Azure. Let's go ahead and take a look at some concepts related to Microsoft Azure. Azure services are available in 54 regions around the globe, more global than any other cloud provider, allowing customers to achieve better performance with cost optimization. To verify web plus mobile products available by region, you can go to this link and check the Web plus Mobile section. Next, we have resource groups. Resource groups in Azure is nothing but a logical container. It's used to group all different resources, such as app, service, SQL databases, and storage accounts available in Azure. It can be a tedious task to IT to assign a user to individual resources. To manage resources in a better way, we rather provide group access to all resources. Moving on to App Service Plans. An app service plan is a set of capacities, that is, the instance size and instance count on which the application is hosted, and features. Capacity is directly linked to cost, and hence it is similar to choosing a pricing tier. There are different capabilities and limits within ASP. There are 5 pricing tiers, namely Free, Shared, Basic, Standard, and Premium. Each ASP can be used for different purposes, and they are different in providing features too. Take a look at the Azure calculator and understand how the pricing works. Go to this link and click on Add Items and click on App Service in the featured category. Select Region, Tier, Instance Size. Verify the cost estimate. Change the instance count and verify the cost. The instance count directly affects pricing. Create an ASP and verify the instance count. Select the resource group we created. Select Operating System, Location, and Pricing Tier. Click on Create. Now, verify its Overview section. Verify the app's slots count. It is 00, as no app or the slot is using the ASP. Go to the Scale Out App Service Plan section in App Service Plan and verify the default number of instances. As we kept the basic pricing tier, it allows us to scale up to 3 instances only. To cancel the changes, you can click on Discard. Lastly, we see Auto Scaling. A significant part of making an application highly available and having good performance is scaling resources. There are 2 types of scaling: vertical scaling and horizontal scaling. In vertical scaling, we increase or decrease the size of the instance by choosing different pricing tiers, and to increase or decrease the number of instances, we use horizontal scaling. Let's see what makes Azure stand out from the other cloud providers. Azure embeds security and privacy into its development methodology and has comprehensive compliance coverage with over 70 compliance offerings. With 54 regions across the globe, more than any other cloud provider, Azure gives the power to choose the data center best suited for your customers. Azure offers real hybrid consistency, providing seamless connection between data center and cloud. With this, you can utilize the existing resources. Azure provides a broad range of hybrid connections, including VPNs, caches, CDNs to improve usability and performance. With Azure, you have the power to choose tools, applications, and frameworks, such as Chef and Jenkins. Open development languages further add to the flexibility for Azure migration. An important aspect of cloud infrastructure is PaaS capabilities of the cloud provider. Azure PaaS provides developers with the tools and building blocks needed to rapidly build and deploy new cloud services. So, we've now understood the basic concepts related to Microsoft Azure Cloud, so we can easily create and manage resources in Microsoft Azure Cloud. Next up, we'll see what DevOps Azure solution is.